Hey there, welcome to Tech Product. Today, we're showcasing the top 3 best rechargeable fabric shaver that keep your clothes and fabrics looking fresh and smooth. From powerful motors to smart safety features, these gadgets make fabric care effortless. Let's get started. Starting our list at number 3, we have the Gaiatop Rechargeable Fabric Shaver. The Gaiatop Rechargeable Fabric Shaver is a practical solution for keeping clothing and household fabrics looking fresh and new. Built with a durable ABS plastic shell, a thickened stainless steel grill, and a razor-sharp 6-leaf blade system, it delivers powerful performance. Its strong motor and efficient suction system help remove lint, fuds, and fabric pills quickly, restoring garments to a smooth and clean appearance with minimal effort. Despite its strong performance, the device maintains a compact and lightweight form, measuring just 2.4 by 2.44 by 5.8 inches and weighing only 8.4 ounces. This makes it easy to use, store, and carry, whether at home or on the go. The rechargeable design supports various power sources, including wall adapters, laptops, power banks, and even car chargers. A full charge takes about 1.5 hours and provides up to 2.5 hours of continuous use, making it suitable for travel and everyday household needs. A standout feature is its digital display, which provides clear visualization of power levels and operating gear, helping users manage usage with confidence. The enlarged 100 ml lint storage compartment is transparent and removable, offering ample capacity while allowing users to check the fill level at a glance. Designed to work with a wide variety of fabrics, the shaver effectively refreshes sweaters, winter coats, scarves, gloves, plush toys, sofa upholstery, bedding, curtains, car seats, and more. It also incorporates triple protection features for safe operation. The bionic honeycomb mesh protects fabrics from accidental cuts, while the device automatically powers off if the lid becomes loose. Additionally, it includes charging protection to prevent overcharging. Overall, the Gaiatop Rechargeable Fabric Shaver blends thoughtful design, reliable performance, and practical safety features to help maintain fabric quality and extend the life of clothing and home textiles. Next up, at number 2, comes the Peiyuu Rechargeable Fabric Shaver. The Peiyuu Rechargeable Fabric Shaver is designed to restore garments and household fabrics to their best condition with ease and efficiency. Compact and portable at just 2.4 by 2.3 by 6 inches, it is ideal for use at home or on the go, whether you are caring for sweaters, blankets, curtains, carpets, or upholstered furniture. This handy tool helps keep clothing and fabrics looking fresh and new, making it an excellent companion for travel or everyday fabric care. Equipped with innovative 6-leaf razor-sharp blades, the device delivers double the cleaning efficiency compared to traditional 3-blade systems. With 3 adjustable speed settings, it allows users to customize performance based on fabric type and pilling severity, ensuring effective lint removal without causing damage. For best results, garments are recommended to be laid flat on a hard surface before use. A digital LED display enhances the experience by showing real-time battery level and speed settings, ensuring users always know how much power remains. The built-in 2600 mAh rechargeable battery offers up to 3.5 to 4.5 hours of continuous operation after just 2 hours of fast charging, providing reliable performance for multiple sessions. The design also emphasizes safety and fabric protection. A bionic honeycomb stainless steel mesh guards delicate materials, while a smart safety switch stops operation if the blade cover becomes loose. The device also features automatic charging protection, stopping the charge once the battery is full. The Peiyuu Fabric Shaver includes a removable and visible lint collection container, making cleanup simple. The container can be taken apart and washed, ensuring the device stays clean and ready for the next use. Overall, it is a practical, modern, and efficient tool for keeping fabrics smooth, neat, and long-lasting. And finally, taking the number 1 position, it's the Magictec Rechargeable Fabric Shaver. The Magictec Rechargeable Fabric Shaver is designed to bring new life to your garments and household fabrics with modern efficiency and convenience. Built with premium materials and advanced technology, it offers reliable performance that stands up to continuous use. Its powerful motor and strong suction work together to remove lint and fuzz quickly, leaving sweaters, coats, and other fabrics looking fresh and renewed. This fabric shaver is crafted for ease of use, offering fast charging and flexible power options. You can charge it through a laptop, desktop, power bank, car charger, or smart IC charger, making it suitable for travel or home use. A full charge of just 2 hours provides up to 60 minutes of continuous operation, ensuring that your clothes and household items look their best without interruption. Its compact and lightweight build makes it easy to carry and store, making it a convenient solution wherever you go. At the heart of the device is a sharp and efficient 3-tooth blade system that handles a wide range of lint and fuzz. Whether it's a wool sweater, winter coat, gloves, sofa fabric, bedding, curtains, or plush toys, the shaver works effectively to remove loose threads and pills without damaging the material. A protective honeycomb-style mesh cover ensures gentle operation, reducing friction and preventing accidental fabric damage. The safety lock feature automatically stops the device if the blade cover becomes loose or comes off, offering added peace of mind. To keep the cleaning process smooth and tidy, the Magictec shaver features a large lint storage compartment. Strong suction draws fuzz and lint directly into the detachable container, preventing mess and allowing for quick and easy disposal. With its thoughtful design and powerful performance, this fabric shaver helps your clothing and fabrics look as good as new with minimal effort. That's a wrap on our top picks. Check the price link in the description and don't forget to like and subscribe to Tech Product for more handy gadget reviews.